So guys, we are here at the Islington project now and we're just about to start a walk around with our structural engineers. So now we've got the scaffolding, we're going to be restoring this entire facade. It's going to be a bit of a painstaking process, but anywhere we need to restore the mouldings around the windows, we're going to do that. And you guys may have noticed on the other elevation, we have this huge advertising board, which I haven't really spoken about, but we've still left it on all the planning drawings as an existing advertising board. And our goal, our aim is to also monetize this as well.